Alright, how to program your HomeLink for your garage door or gate opener. This is a Cadillac Escalade. I'm going to program it on number 1. I'm going to show you also how to clear out all of the settings in case you had a pre-configured unit. So hold down 1 and 2 together until you see a rapid flashing light. This can be done on many different types of vehicles. GM. Okay, so now the settings in the HomeLink's cleared. I can release. Now we can go to programming. I'm going to take the remote. This happens to be to our gate at the lake house. We're going to hold down on 1, and we're also going to press the opener. Keep doing it until it rapidly blinks, then you can release both. Should be programmed. You can see the gate. It's way over there, and it is opening or closing. I'm going to push the HomeLink in a second and open the gate. I'll wait for it to finish closing. Almost done. Okay. Now I'm going to pull back here to show you. And it can open. There we go. Alright. And it's a press and hold. So don't just one push it, you must hold your button on your vehicle. Alright, hope this helps. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe.